Okay. Off to breakfast and then starting the hike today. Cooked meal for breakfast. Thank you.
You're welcome.
A lot of snow fell last night. I think I might make the 40-kilometer trek to Plav, skipping Bambino Polier. It's just probably a better idea and safer too. Snow-capped peaks. Just kidding. Snow-capped everything. We just crossed the border into Montenegro.
Yeah.
We're back. Can't believe I got caught in a blizzard. What? At the beginning of the hike it was 25 degrees Celsius. Next week it's supposed to be 25 degrees Celsius again. Look at that. It's going into my ankles. 40 kilometers from the town that I was in, Guri I Kuq to Plav. I'm just gonna keep going until I can get there. And if it starts getting dark, I'll stop by some guest houses or towns that are along this road, hopefully. It looked like there was some on the map. Oh my god, this is crazy. Okay, made it to the top. 1,000. Oh, there's a car!
That's great. That footprint.
Oh my god, that'd be so good. 1,875 meters. There's a tiny little building over here. And 2 police officers who checked over my permits. But man, were they the sweetest people ever. Brought us over to a fire that they had going inside. They quickly took a look at the permits, gave a boiled egg, a bunch of Montenegro sausages. Bye bye! What a crazy border experience. Bye bye! Yeah, Montenegro! Look at them. Oh my god. Knee deep. Woo! I'm so happy I stayed in the guest house yesterday. Thank you, Nami, my sister, for me money so that I wouldn't hesitate to get a guest house if I needed it. It would have been really cold. After about 6 hours of hiking, we're finally getting some real ground to walk on. So I'm in a dilemma. There's a road right there which would let me cut off 10 kilometers for my day today, but doesn't look like there's a way to get to that road because there's this weird valley. So I have to go all the way around, which means another 20 kilometers. Got picked up by some lads. Hello! Woo! Giving us a lift for the last 13 kilometers. So the 2 crazy lads dropped us off in the middle of Plav. Already hit the 30-kilometer mark for the day. Nice, we're here.
We got it!
We got it! But look at that, the snow covered. No snow down here. Look at that.